Hi there. In this training we're going to look at how you add your logo through to your Kartra GO store. So there are a couple of places we do this. So the first one is going to be in System. So from the admin area you're going to go to System and you're going to go to Settings. Click on the blue pencil and next we're going to go to Image. And this is where you can upload an image from your computer directly through to the store. So you click the upload button, and I suggest that when organizing your images you use a filing system. So create a folder for your banners, your sliders, your logo, your products, everything, so that it's very well organized. But I'm just going to grab this image here and I'm going to paste that in here. If you're using a favicon, it's going to be 16 pixels by 16 pixels. So then you click Save. Now this logo will be used in invoices, etc. and order confirmation emails. The next part is the actual theme itself. So if we look here in the store, this is set up with the journal theme. So first we want to look here at the actual image size. So if you open this image in a new tab, you can see that this image size, when we hover over, it is 142 by 36 pixels. So this is a wide horizontal image. So this is the formatting you want to use for your image. And if you have an image, it's best to use it in the PNG format, meaning that you can easily change this header navigation area should you feel the need to while customizing your store. So where do we do that? So before we actually look at changing this, let's refer to our documentation. So we go to our header menu and we're going to go to Journal Team Documentation. Now I'm on Journal Demo 6 and here is the home page and here is the header, and the header area contains our logo. If we see here, we've got it in position number 3. And we then can look here and we say, okay, our logo is added in the Journal Skins Edit header. And additional options specific to the header are in Journal Header Slim Edit Logo. For more information about this, see our documentation on the logo. So let's look here first. We're going to go to Journal Skin Edit Header. So we go to Journal Skins, go to Default, and then we are going to go to Header. And this is where we are specifying our image size. Now, we can see we've got two different image sizes here. So we've got a Retina image and we've got our logo, our Retina logo. So now we can open that Retina image here and we can see that that is 283 by 72. So this is going to guide you on the sizes for your logo. So there's no point in trying to figure this out and making mistakes along the way. Just let the system guide you to what you need to do. So when you are ready, you're just going to click on your logo and you're going to add that logo in here. Now, I'm not going to add this at this point, but you would add in your logo here. And again, look at how we find that image size. So we've got our 142 by 36 in the navigation, open in the new tab, and our Retina logo is 283 by 72. So that's the size you want to format your logo to be. Okay? And that is how, now we can add in mobile logo here as well, and then you could just use the standard logo here as the size. But you always will check this on your different devices as you're configuring your store. And you add your mobile logo and your social sharing logo. And if you hover over the mouse, you can see this if set, it overwrites default logo. Okay, so possibly you just leave this logo alone, and when you share your file, share your store, share a link, you'll see this logo coming up. So you don't necessarily have to use that, but if it's the same logo, that's fine. So once it's the same logo as your primary logo for your store, that's absolutely fine. So let's take a look then back to our documentation, and we can see that we wanted to look at Journal Header Slim Edit Logo. So let's go to Journal Header, there we go, Journal Header Slim. Okay, so we're going to look at this desktop header here, and you're going to edit there. And then here we have options in and around the navigation, and we can then configure the padding, etc. on our logo. So the container padding on all sides. So if we change this padding here, so this is going to affect this area here. So let's just copy that and let's set that to 25. And we'll look at the changes in the store. So when we look here, That's now made that image a lot smaller because it's increasing that padding around there. So if we set that to 0, watch what changes happen. It's now going to be squashed up a little more. So let's go back and use the default, because this information has been well configured and it's going to make your life a lot easier. So now we set it. So now you can see the spacing is nice. So this is referring back to our documentation. Always refer to the documentation. We have further controls in our header slim edit logo, and we can add the logo here in our journal skins edit header. I hope you found this training helpful, and I will look forward to seeing you on the next training. Thank you.